Hello, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks very much for joining us. We've got a short week this week and the weather forecast is, well, still typically spring. We've got a cold change that's just moved up the South Island. We've now got rain falling in central areas and that rain will slowly move into the North Island. But at the moment, it's actually two big highs that are controlling our weather. There's one up here to the northeast that's pulling down this mild subtropical flow into many parts of the North Island. And then down here near Tasmania, here's the other high. And this one's pulling up the colder change that saw the temperatures tumble a lot in Southland and Otago on Monday. So that southerly is going into Cook Strait, but on the other side of it is the nor'wester, which is unusual to see the two winds meeting like that, right in the middle. So when that happens, the two winds meet, they bubble up a wee bit, and you end up with a lot of cloud and usually some rain. And that's exactly what we're going to see over the next 24 hours, this patchy area of rain and showers moving up central New Zealand and into the central part of the North Island. So a bit of rain is on the way. Here's the next 5 days. Apologies, it's got a little bit blurry today, but this is the next 5 days. So the areas that are in the pink colouring here in the upper South Island and the central western North Island, that's anywhere from 40 to 60, maybe 70 millimetres of rain. On the eastern side, the oranges and the yellows, the golds, sort of 15 to 30 millimetres for you. But in the very north, the blue, the green, the yellow, and the same story around here. That's just a few showers at the bottom of the scale across the country. And don't forget, you can go to our website at weatherwatch or ruralweather.co.nz. You can see your daily, hourly rainfall totals over the next 10 days. So this is how Wednesday is shaping up. High pressure down here, that's the one that's moving towards the country and is going to slide all the way up to the northeast in just a couple of days' time. So it's quite a fast moving high. As it moves up there on Wednesday, the wind flows change. There's that area of rain we were talking about, stuck over central to eastern side of the North Island, some heavy falls up in the ranges for you, but the wind flow is changing, turning back more to a northerly. So the temperatures will really lift up on Wednesday and even more so on Thursday. So look at the departure from normal, and again, apologies, it's a little blurry, but you can see the areas in dark colouring here, all through the Southern Alps, Wanaka, Twizel, Mount Cook, Queenstown, Tiano, all those areas over 8, over 10 degrees above average. What a difference from where you were a couple of days ago. Christchurch bang on normal, so is Wellington, but over here on the eastern side, you're several degrees below average in Napier, and up around Auckland and Northland, you are a few degrees warmer than average. So typical spring weather really as we go through this week. Let's move on in as we head towards the weekend. Thursday, that high getting stronger out to the east. Subtropical winds now coming down. That's why we're seeing Thursday's temperatures lift right up even further for Southland and parts of Canterbury and Otago. Showers bubbling up in the North Island. 1 or 2 could be heavy into the afternoon. Otherwise still fairly dry. Into Friday, and that high now parked up to our northeast, the same one that right now is down here south of Tasmania. So it slides up there as we go towards the end of the week, and there are more showers coming through, a bit of rain on the west coast, and 1 or 2 showers in the North Island once more could become a little bit heavy into the afternoon. So let's get into the weekend. Saturday, more showers along the western side of the country. Subtropical winds for the North Island, which will mean a couple of those showers could become heavy with maybe even some isolated thunder. Rain more likely on the west coast. You've got a different airflow. It's coming out of the Southern Ocean across all of the South Island. So you'll notice a little bit of a temperature drop as we head in towards the weekend. And our final map for Sunday shows that southwest flow going right up and across most of New Zealand. It's really about Auckland and Northland only that are on the outer edges of that. Everyone else will feel a little bit of a temperature drop. You'll also notice the winds picking up a wee bit blustery in some exposed areas and 1 or 2 showers hanging around. But there's the next high coming out of Australia. And that is all from me. Have a great short week, and we'll see you again on Wednesday.